Hey guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to change the font on your iPhone running iOS 18. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First open the settings app on your iPhone, tap on general, next scroll down until you see fonts and tap on it. Here you will find any custom fonts you have already installed. If you have not installed any yet, you can easily download new fonts from the App Store. In the system fonts, these are the fonts that are already pre-installed on your device. Just browse the list, and if you find a font you like, tap the downward arrow next to it to download it. If you want to see what a font looks like before downloading, tap the font name to preview it directly in your settings. Note that custom fonts can only be used in certain apps like Mail or Note. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.